Welcome to Next Gen Cloud Computing. Master Linux and Cloud Skill for free. Welcome to Python for Linux Admins, Part 4. Today we're giving you a quick overview of the most powerful Python modules every system admin should know. What's in this video? A high-level introduction to essential modules that make Linux automation a breeze. In future videos, we'll go deeper into each module with hands-on examples and real-world scenarios to show you how to use them effectively. Don't skip this video. Watch till the end to see what's coming next in this series and how we'll take your Python skills to the next level. Master automation with modules like OS, Subprocess, Paramiko, Psutil, and more. Discover how these tools simplify tasks like system monitoring, user management, file operations, and network automation. Let's dive into this quick overview and set the stage for mastering Python for Linux administration. Stay tuned for upcoming deep dives. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with your fellow admins. Subscribe now to unlock your automation potential. Python modules that every Linux administrator should know for day-to-day automation tasks. One system and OS management. For interacting with the operating system, e.g. file directory manipulation, environment variables. Subprocess, to execute system commands and capture their output. Psutil for advanced file operations, e.g. copying, moving, archiving. To monitor and manage system processes, CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. Pathlib, modern way to handle file and directory paths. To file and directory operations. Globe for file name pattern matching, e.g. wildcard searches. fnmatch for matching file names using Unix shell-style wildcards. Zipfile tarfile for compressing and extracting files. File input to process lines of text files, e.g. editing configuration files. Through user and process management. To access Unix user account information. To manage Unix group information. GetPass to securely handle user passwords and credentials. For networking and security. Socket to work with sockets, e.g. testing ports, creating simple servers. Paramiko for SSH-based automation, e.g. remote server management. Netmiko, a higher-level library for automating network devices via SSH. Scapy for packet crafting and network analysis. DNS Python for DNS queries and management. To interact with APIs and HTTP requests. 5. System monitoring and automation. Croniter to work with cron expressions, e.g. schedule tasks. Schedule for simple job scheduling. Panotify to monitor file system events in real time. Watchdog, another file and directory event monitoring library. 6. Parsing and working with configurations. Config parser to manage .ini configuration files. To handle JSON data, e.g. configuration and API responses. YAML via PyYAML for working with YAML files common in DevOps tools like Ansible. XML.stri to element for parsing and editing XML files. 7. Cloud and virtualization. Bodo 3 to manage AWS services programmatically. Google Cloud for Google Cloud Platform integration. AzureJIT for managing Azure resources. libvirt Python for managing virtualization platforms like KVM. OpenStack to interact with OpenStack environments. 8. Database management. SQLite 3 for local lightweight database management. MySQL PostgreSQL connector Python to manage MySQL databases. Psychope2 for PostgreSQL database automation. 9. File parsing and analysis. RHEL for regex-based pattern matching. For parsing and generating CSV files. Pandas for advanced data manipulation and analysis. 10. Other essential modules. arbparse click typer for creating command line utilities and tools. Logging for effective debugging and logging in scripts. Time for managing timestamps and scheduling tasks. Hashlib for generating hashes, e.g. for file integrity checks. For Zabbix monitoring automation. Bonus libraries for advanced use cases. Ansible Runner to programmatically execute Ansible playbooks. Docker for managing Docker containers. Fabric for SSH-based deployment and automation.